Alright, welcome back all. Carrying on from where we left off, the next thing we're going to do straight away is we're just going to come up, because we've just painted it to just underneath this line. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the 2-inch tape and we're just going to stick a 2-inch tape half on, half off, all the way around the outside of the trailer, and then we're going to stick a 4-foot paper to it, drop it down, and then seal it off. We're going to do that all the way around the trailer, just so it seals off all the underneath, and then we can start masking off all the little bits like the badges, and just finishing any of the little bits on the hinges. That's the trailer all fully masked up now, ready to paint. The only thing I'm waiting on finding out is if we're masking out these badges or if we're leaving them in light blue and white. There's one last thing I need to do before we paint this side, because we're going to do the rear end and this side first, and that's just scotch. Just where I painted the light brackets here, there's a little bit of light overspray just up the pillars. So I'm just going to get to red scotching those quickly. We'll blow it all down with an air line, and then we'll get it all tack ragged off, get rid of the loose dust that's left on the surface. And yeah, we'll get this into 350 primer, dark grey, and then top coat it with 5004. So let's crack on. So I've just finished off scotching all the overspray that was left just on the pillars down the side of the trailer. It's finally ready for the next stage, which is just going to go around it quickly with degreaser in the spray bottle, wipe it all down just to get rid of any of the oils and solvents that's actually on the surface before we paint it. And yeah, then we're going to get it twice over with a tack rag to get any of the dust, loose dust that's left on the surface. The next thing you'll see is let's start to get some primer on it. on, that's the rear, and this side all finished up now, primed and top coated. The next thing to do, first thing in the morning, we're going to come in, we're going to get that side and the back end all papered out with 4-foot paper. Can't risk using bagging, just in case it sticks and sweats. So we'll get all this papered out with 4-foot paper, and then we'll have to go around all the edges to where we're painting to and just scotch into all the edges, get rid of all the roughness. And then Monday morning we're going to crack on, do the front and this side. So just a quick update here on this door where we have the Colston badges that have been welded onto the doors. There's also one on either side of the front of the trailer. I'm going to brush in around the border and just the Colston lettering. I'm just going to brush them in ward green, just as like a finishing touch really for the trailer. So yeah, let's crack on with these. So I've just finished off painting this badge into ward green. I've also done the one that's up in that top corner. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to crack on 4-foot paper, probably 2 rows, one there, seal it off top and bottom, all the way from back to front. And then Monday morning when we come in, we'll crack on painting the other side and the front. As I'm putting the final coat of top coat around the front of the trailer, I'd just like to say thank you again for all the appreciation and nice words that people have said about the work that I do. The lads that Ward use for their decals have actually come and put the decals on the trailer now, but it's the first time I've ever met these guys, so I didn't really want to ask them to film it, so I haven't got any footage of that. Here's what she looked like before and what she looks like now, looking wicked. Thank you all for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, do that now. And also leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
Looking